Hey guys, this is Kritika. So I'm in Delhi for a few days, and as you may know, Delhi is famous for its good food. Every time I visit Delhi, I'm excited about all the food I'm going to be having, and so in today's video, I thought I'll take you guys along with me on my food journey. So the first spot I'm going to is one of my favorite restaurants in Delhi, and it is the Big Chill Café. So I just ordered ravioli for main course, which I really love. By the way, I forgot to mention before that I'm vegetarian, so all the food I'm eating in this video is vegetarian. So my ravioli is here and it's looking really good. I'm excited to begin. It's really good. Dessert, and I've ordered the banoffee pie, which is really famous at the Big Chill, and if you're ever in Delhi, I'd really recommend you come and try this out because this is really good. Another thing I absolutely love about Delhi is the momos. You can easily find momos in every market in Delhi, and the one I'm going to eat from is one of my favorites because I used to come here a lot during college. It's Auntie Momos in GK1 M Block Market, and I'm really excited to eat them. Cold coffee regular. Another place that's really famous in Delhi is Deepal's Coffee. It's a really old establishment, and I've heard stories of my mom coming here when she was younger as well. And right now I'm having cold coffee from there, which is quite delicious. I'm outside this cute little bakery called Whipped in GK2, and you get some amazing cheesecake over here. I'm really full right now, so I'm just gonna get a cheesecake packed and have it at home. Day 2, and I'm starting my day with some chole bhature because you can't come to Delhi and not eat chole bhature. Look how good this looks. And I also got some rasmalai because I really like dessert. Cheesecake from Whipped yesterday. I didn't eat it yesterday because I was really full, but I'm gonna eat it right now. So I got the New York style cheesecake and I'm just gonna dig right in. This is honestly as good as the cheesecake I've had in New York. A trip to Delhi is incomplete without eating chaat. So I'm at Elephanta market, which is near my nani's house, and I've been coming here every summer since I was a kid, and I love the chaat here. But literally every other market in Delhi you get really amazing chaat as well, and I'm going to try out a bunch of things, starting with pani puri, which is actually called golgappas over here. Bhaiya, ek plate golgappa. Basically there are two types of puri, suji and atta, and I'm having the atta puri. I don't know what the difference is honestly. And he's added some sant, which is basically sweet sauce because I can't eat very spicy stuff, and it tastes really good. Next I'm eating some dahi papdi chaat. One thing you guys probably didn't know about me is that I absolutely love dahi papdi chaat, and it is one of my favorite chaats. I can eat it anytime, anywhere. And I'm gonna be sharing this with her. This is aloo chaat, which is basically fried potatoes with spices, some mint chutney and some lemon squeezed on top, and it tastes really good. I've never seen this in Bombay or any other place, but I'm sure you get it there. It's kind of hot. Next I'm gonna have some gulgule, which is basically that thing over there. So gulgules are basically moong dal pakoras, and they serve it with some mint chutney and some radish, and it's kind of spicy but it's really tasty. That was some really good chaat, and if you come to Delhi, chaat is something you shouldn't miss at all. This was definitely the highlight of my trip. It's day 3 today and I'm at the mall. I'm with my brother, and
hello guys.
He's never eaten at Chacha, so we're going to be eating at Chacha. So it's actually famous for non-veg food, but we're going to be eating veg food over here. I was expecting the roll to be a little nicer. I mean, it's not bad, but it's not that great. So we just finished eating at Chacha, but I've been craving sushi for 3 days now. So we're going to this restaurant called Papaya at Select City Walk Mall, and we're going to be eating sushi now. Sushi is here. This is the cucumber sushi, and this is spicy avocado, and that over there is the California roll. So let's begin. That was a really satisfying meal and a great way to end my trip to Delhi. I really love living in Bombay, but I miss Delhi food sometimes. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!